Welcome to lecture series of phrasal verb. Lecture 1, letter A. Account for. Can you account for your failure? Act for. Ali is acting for the principal today. Act on or upon. The son acted on the advice of his father. Add up. Ali can add up in his head easily. Answer somebody back. Do not answer your father back. Answer somebody in. She did not ask me in her house. Ask somebody out. She was too shy to ask him out. Ask for. She was too shy to ask for help. Thank you for listening. For more videos, please like and subscribe our channel.